Hello, we are again. I'm very happy to be here with you all. Okay, you know what is a variable? A variable is a little box where you can keep a single data. You can keep it, okay? And what are the rules of variables? Very easy. Number one, you can keep only one single data in a variable. This is the first rule. This is very easy. Second rule, if you need a variable, you have to name this variable. And you can put any name, okay? But it's very convenient. The names of the variables of your program are mnemonic. What is that? Well, if you need to keep your age in a little box in a variable, what is the appropriate name of this variable? Age. Put this name, age. You need to identify this little box because probably in a program you need a lot of little boxes. So you have to identify. You need to keep the number of sons you have. What is the name of this variable? Number of sons. No space. Number of sons. This is third rule. You can keep a single data in a variable, but if you keep other single data in this variable, the first data will be deleted. Okay? Will be deleted. Only one single data fit in a variable. Only one, no more. Third variable, very easy. Number 4. What do you need to keep a single data in a variable? Okay, you only need the symbol equal. No more. So, if you need to keep number 2 in a variable, and it means number of cars you have, you can name the variable as number of cars, no space, number of cars. And you write number of cars equal 2. Very easy. What can you keep in a variable? You can keep in a variable single data, numeric data, alphabetic data. You can keep expressions like variable x equal 3 plus 2. So what does the computer do? It solves 3 plus 2 is 5 and keep 5 in the variable you name as x. Okay? Okay. Fifth rule. When you cite a variable using its name, you really refer the content of this variable. Okay? That means if you say display x, variable x of the other example, what does the computer do? Put in the monitoring the display number 5. Why? Because all the time you refer a variable using its name, it means you need the content of this variable. And the sixth rule, very easy. The sixth rule is very easy. All the time you have an expression in the right side of the equal symbol, the computer first solves the expression, and then the result the computer keep in the variable in the left side of the equal. It is very easy. What about if we see some exercise? Okay. In this exercise, the first sentence is ordering store number 3 in variable A. The next sentence is ordering store the number 4 in variable B. The next is ordering store number 5 in variable C. Okay? Look this instruction. Store in variable A the result of A plus 2. This means the result of the content of variable A plus 2. The next sentence is store in variable B the result of the content of variable B plus 3. And the next one is ordering store in variable C the result of adding the content of variable C plus 4. Now you can see in these three sentences the order is in the right side of the equal symbol is the same, but the result is not the same. In this sentence, you can see store in variable A the result of adding the content of variable A plus the content of variable B plus the content of variable C. The next one, store in variable B result of adding A plus B plus C. It means the content of variable A plus the content of variable B plus the content of variable C. And the next one, store in variable C the result of adding A plus B plus C, or exactly the content of variable A plus the content of variable B plus the content of variable C. Then, what are the final results? This is the second exercise. The first sentence is ordering store in variable A number 2. Second sentence is ordering store in the variable B number 4. The next one, store in the variable C the number 6. Then store in the variable A the result of multiplying A by 2, or exactly the content of variable A by number 2. The next sentence is store in variable B the result of adding B plus 3. It means the content
of variable b plus 3. The next one, store in variable c the result of subtracting c minus 4. The next one is store in variable a the result of multiplying the content of variable a by the content of variable b. The next one is store in variable b the content of variable c. The next one, store in variable c the result of multiplying the content of variable b by 2. The next one is store in a the result of a plus b minus c. This one is store in variable b the result of a plus b minus c. It means the result of the content of variable a plus the content of variable b minus the content of variable c. And the last one is store in variable c the result of the content of variable a plus the content of variable b minus the content of variable c. What are the final results?